Good afternoon. Welcome to the Chamburn Farm Greenhouse. We've got all of our garden starts here ready to go for our open house on Saturday, April 30th. And I'm in the process of planting some more seeds and doing some planting up or potting up of some sunflowers. This is a double sunken sunflower. And what we do with these is similar to the tomatoes that I showed before, is we start them in these 4-inch pots, and then we're going to pot them up to a gallon-sized pot. So what we do is we put just a little bit of soil in the bottom of the pot and then put the start down in there so that the stem will then be covered by soil. And you can see in the next one here, so all of these little hairs, I'm sure you can see the hairs there on the stem, those will become roots and will create a really nice root system for this sunflower that's supposed to get 8 to 10 feet tall. So it's going to need a lot of stability and a lot of footing in the ground so it doesn't fall over in winds and so forth. So we put a lot of care into potting up our plants and making sure that we have great strong plants to sell to you. Enjoy your day.